Hi, welcome to a chef called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make roasted red potatoes perfectly like an Italian. One secret ingredient you ought not to miss. Grab your trusty wooden spoon. We'll all meet back in the kitchen. Okay, welcome into the kitchen for today's cooking show. Red potatoes roasted, Italian style. You can see my red potatoes are medium sized and they have many dimples, and that gives character to the dish. I have one red Bermuda onion I've sliced in half. I'm also working with about 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt and some good quality Italian seasoning, followed by red pepper flakes and unfiltered olive oil and Parmesan Reggiano. But wait a minute, hold on, stop everything. We have that secret ingredient. Stay tuned and keep watching because we will be adding anchovy, and I will show you the method on how to do so. For now, I'm going to half and quarter the red potatoes, like so. And this just ensures that we have a good, even size in potato slices, so cooking happens evenly and the heat is distributed. My oven is preheated to 425 degrees, and the potato and onions will bake for 24 minutes or so. You can see I'm removing the onion skin plus the first layer of the red onion, and I will thinly cut into strips the onion. Add my salt. And of course, anytime an Italian's adding salt or throwing salt around, we want to give a pinch over the left shoulder for good luck. And there we are. Now I'm going to bring our ingredients together by hand. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of unfiltered extra virgin olive oil here, and some red pepper. And then I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to massage these ingredients so that the oil, the salt, the red pepper coats evenly onto the onion as well as the red potatoes. You can see the little bits of the red pepper adhering to the potatoes. I don't wash my potatoes. I gently dry them clean with a kitchen towel. Next, I'll add evenly onto a nice sil-pat lined baking pan my onion and red potatoes. Okay, now I'm just going to add a bit of Italian seasoning right across the top, and I'm now going to add our Parmesan Reggiano, and probably about 1 tablespoon I'll grate across the top. "24 minutes or so. You can see now I've removed it. I'm coating a pyrex dish here with a bit more olive oil, and I'm going to remove our onion and potato mixture to the pyrex dish, like so. And now it's time for our special ingredient. Yes, that's right. My anchovy today is brought to you by Scalia, and it is sitting in some red chili pepper. And I'm going to add by hand 1 anchovy fillet. And the trick here is to massage and dissolve by hand the anchovy into the warm potato and onion mixture. Finally, I'll cover it with foil and leave this side dish on the back of the stove until ready to serve. That was an easy recipe to make. Patate Rosse al forno, or roasted red potatoes. A wonderful, simple side dish the whole family can enjoy. A super easy, super healthy, super delicious side dish. Take a moment and say many, many thanks for watching today's cooking show. We're growing as a channel. Thank you to all my subscribers, and a big hi. And until we meet again, arrivederci, cindan, ciao, bravo.